Hi, I'm Todd Amazine. I've been an internet business consultant for 15 years. I'm going to show you how to set up Outlook Mail.
Microsoft Outlook is a registered trademark of the Microsoft Corporation, a company with which I have no affiliation. With Microsoft Outlook open, click on Tools, scroll down and select Email Accounts. Click on the radio button to the left of Add a New Email Account, and now click on Next. Today we're going to be adding a POP3 email address. Information provided to you by your email provider or ISP will determine which of these options you'll select. And then click on Next. Here we'll fill in the user information, the server information, and the logon information. The server information and the logon information will be provided to you by your ISP or your email provider. Again, as you fill in your incoming mail server and your outgoing mail server information, this information will be provided to you by the email provider or the ISP. Enter the username and enter the password. By keeping the Remember Password box checked, Outlook will be able to automatically send and receive email. If you uncheck the Remember Password button, then every time you check email, you'll have to enter the password as prompted by Outlook. I'm going to keep Remember Password checked. I'll click on Next, and now I'll click on Finish.
You've just learned how to set up Outlook Mail. I'm Todd Amazine.